A hot glue gun with glue, a mirror, string lights, and flowers. The bristles are about 10 to 13. And then you're going to want to take off all the top of the flowers, like the actual flowers, and the leaves. You don't need the leaves, but I just added the greenery to have the colors pop more. You also cut off all the green like stem parts under each flower so they're not so long, because you want the back of the flowers to be flat, not long and pointy. These are the lights I got at Walmart for $4.97. So they are just on and off. And how you just string them, you just want to go in and out through each of the flowers. I use TACKS so the flowers don't, the strings of the lights will stay in place at each corner and like midway. So you're going to need about 6 little flat tacks, not the pointed ones, the silver flat ones. Sorry for all the boob action. I had a tank top on while making this. I was getting sweaty and hot. That little box, it is battery operated. You will need 3 AA batteries, and on the opposite side it has like a button to turn it on and off. So I will show that in a minute of how I actually did it, and we'll hook it up in a minute. Now I am taking a Velcro like sticky band, putting it on the back of the power pack and the back of the mirror. So all I have to do is on one side of the mirror, press the button to turn it on when I want to have the lights on for pictures, and turn it off when I don't need it.